So this is the revision worksheet. This is the revision worksheet and you have to revise these questions. So I am recording this video and I will upload this video on YouTube. I will share you the link. So you can do this, the rest of the question from the video. Is it clear? Because I am not going to, some of the question I am going to solve and some of the question I will give you for the homework. So you have to do those questions which are left in the homework and you have to send it to me. Clear? So you can find those questions in this video only. I will give you the link. So let us do now the first question. You can do it in a SW copy, not in CW but in SW copy. Okay. Which is greater? Part 1 537 or 98? This is super simple. Okay, this is super simple. How are we going to compare? How are we going to compare the questions, the given numbers? Sorry. How are we going to compare the given numbers? First, we will look the first number. Okay, the first number is 5 and here 9 is the first number, but basically you can see the place value of 5 is 500 and the place value of 9 is 90. So of course 500 is greater than 90. We can say that this number is greater. So we will write 537 is greater. Okay. So this was a very easy question. Don't worry. I'm not going to give you such easy questions. This is just for the sake of revision. So 2428 is greater or 529? Of course, here the place value of 2 is 2000 and the place value of 5 is 500. And 2000 is greater than 500. That is why 2428 is greater. Fine. Third question. 2,59,467 or 10,35,729. So what do you think about it? Students, what do you think about it? Jatin, option B is not there. Why are you saying option B? B is not there. There's neither there's A or B. So just find the place value of 2. The place value of 2 is 2 lakh. Okay, place value of 2 is 2 lakh and place value of 1 is of course 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is greater than 2 lakh. That is why we will say 10 lakh 35,729 is greater. This is the greater number. Is it clear to everyone? Students, keep writing your comments in the comment box. Okay, just keep writing your comments in the comment box. Now here is the second question on your screen, which is a smaller. Number 1, 428 or 437. So what is the place value of this 4? 400. What is the place value of this 4? 400. Both are equal. Now what is the place value of this 2? 20. What is the place value of this 3? 30. So of course 30 is greater than 20. That is why we will say 437 is greater. But we have to tell which is smaller. So 428 is a smaller number. Is it clear? 428 is a smaller. Now second question. 2497. Okay, or 2597. So here the place value of 2 is 2000. Here also the place value of this 2 is 2000. But the place value of 4 is what? 400. and the place value of this 5 is 500, and 500 is greater than 400. So we can say that this number is smaller. 2497 is smaller. Okay, students, is it clear? Now third, 3002. Okay, third part you will do. Okay, so this is the third question. From the greatest and smallest 4-digit number, form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using given digits without repetition. We don't have to repeat any of the digit. So in first part, the digits that is given to you are 3, 7, 2, 5. We have to make a smaller number as well as a greater number using these digits. So how we can form the smaller number? Smaller number is equal to, first of all, we will use the smallest number, which is 2, then greater than that, that is 3, then 5 and 7. So the number is, and remember, since we are using the forming the number, so do not use comma. Okay, so 2357, this is the smallest number, and which is the greatest number? 7532. Use 7, which is the greatest, then smaller than that 5, then 3, then 2. So 7532, this is the greatest number. Clear? Second, actually third digits are given 7, 0, 4, 2. I'm doing the third part. Okay, so how are we going to form the smallest number using these digits? First of all, the smallest number is 0, but we will not use 0 very first. Okay, so we will use 2, then 0, then 4, then 7. Okay, because 0 is the smallest one, but we cannot use 0 very first. So we will use a number which is greater than 0, that is 2. Then we will use 0, then greater than that, then greatest number. Okay, so 2047, this is the smallest number, and the greatest number is greatest 7, then 4, then 2, then 0. Okay, 0 we will use in the last. So this is the greatest number, 7420. Is it clear, students? Daksh Srivastav is joining the class very late. From tomorrow, make sure that you join the class at the time. Okay, then rest of the question you will do in HW copy. Question 4. From the greatest and smallest 3-digit number, using any 3 different digits with the condition that 6 is always at the unit, means ones place. So we have to use greatest and smallest 3-digit number and any 3 different digit. So what is the smallest 3-digit number? So the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay, 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. So the 100 is the smallest 3-digit number, but we don't have to repeat any of the digit, and we have to form the smallest number, and the condition is that the 6 should be always there on the unit place. So we will fix 6 on the unit place. So I have fixed 6 on the unit place, then 0, then 1. So 106. This is the smallest number. Okay, because the condition was given that we have to write 6 at the unit place, then which is the smallest number, which is the smallest whole number? 0, and then we will use 1. So this is 3-digit smallest number according to the condition that we are given. And now write the greatest number. So which is the 3-digit greatest number? 999. But we have to fix 6 at the unit place. Then we can write, because we have to write the greatest number, then what is the greatest number other than 9? 8 is there, and then 9 is there. So this is the number 986. Okay, 986. Why 986? Because the condition was that we have to fix the 6 at the unit place. That's what we have done. Then we don't have to repeat any digit. We cannot write 9 more than one time. That is why I have changed this 9. I have written 8 instead of 9, because 8 is the smaller number than 9, and then 9 as it is. So no one, you can see that none of the number is being repeated, and 6 is fixed on the unit place, and this is the greatest number. Okay, a student, you might think that we can also write 698. If we write 896, okay, if we write 896, then this is not the greatest number, because 986 is greater than 896. So this will be the wrong. This is the right answer. Is it clear? This was a very important question. Now this is the question in front of you. The greatest number of 5-digit is what? Can you write in the comment box what is the greatest number of 5-digit? The greatest number of 5-digit. Very good, Lavisa, Jatin, Sara. 99,999. This is the greatest number of 5-digit. And the smallest number of 6-digit. Students, smallest number of 6-digit. What would you say about it? Okay. 10000 1 2 3 4 5, one more 0. Okay, so this is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the smallest number of 6-digit. Make sure that there are 5 zeros. Okay, there are 5 zeros and 1 is there. So total we have 6 digits. Is it clear? Now let us do the second one. So the second question is the difference between the smallest number of 4-digit and the largest number of 3-digit. So what is the smallest number of 4-digit? What is the smallest number of 4-digit? Difference between the smallest number of 4-digit. The smallest number of 4-digit is of course 1000, and the largest number of 3-digit is 999. So if you will subtract 999 from 1000, you will get 1. Okay, so 1 is the right answer. So you have to just fill these numbers in the blanks. Now third question says the sum of smallest number of 3 digit means 999, and largest number of 2 digit, that is 10. Sorry, smallest number of 3 digit. Okay, so the question is saying smallest number of 3 digit. So the smallest number of 3 digit is 100, and the largest number of 2 digit is 99. So if we are going to add them, we are going to get 199. Okay, so 199 is the right answer. Very good. Fourth question, on adding 1 to the largest 5 digit number, we get what? When we add 1 to the largest 5 digit number, so what is the largest 5 digit number? 10,000 is the largest 5 digit. This is the smallest 5 digit number. So we have to write largest 5 digit number 99,999. This is the largest 5 digit number. And if we will add 1, what we are going to get? Tell me fast. 1 lakh. Okay, so we will fill 1 lakh here. Which is the smallest? How many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is the smallest 6 digit number? Is it clear? So 1 lakh is the smallest 6 digit number. That is why you will fill 6 here. Now 5. On subtracting 1 from the smallest 4 digit number. So what is the smallest 4 digit number? This is the smallest 4 digit number. And if you will subtract from it 1, if you will subtract 1 from it, what will you get? 999 you will get. Is it clear? Sheersh, are you there? So we will get 999, which is what? How many digit? Which is what? 3 digit. Kya hai ye? What is this? Greatest or smallest 3 digit number? This is the greatest, or we can say largest. Okay, you can fill greatest or largest 3 digit number. Is it clear, students? Next question, 12. Form the largest number using these digits without repetition of any digit. So the digits that are given to us 2, 3, 5, 9, 6, 0, and we have to form largest number. So in order to form largest number, we will use the largest number, which is 9, then smaller than that, which is 6, then 5, then 3, then 2, then 0. Is it clear? So this is the largest number using these digits without repetition of any digit. I am saying that we have to form the largest number using these digits. So first of all, you will write the largest number, then which is 9, then smaller than that, that is 6, then smaller than that, that is 5, then 3, then 2, then 0. So this is the largest number that we can form using these digits. Is it clear, Faris? Question 13. Write the smallest and greatest number of 4 digit without repetition of any digit. So we have to write smallest and greatest number of 4 digit. So smallest number of 4 digit we have to write. Look, smallest number of 4 digit is 1000, but we cannot repeat any digit here. Okay, we cannot repeat any digit. That is why we cannot repeat 0. So what we will write? 1, this 1. Okay, so we will write this 1 first of all, then 0. Okay, then greater than that. What is the greater number than 1, which is 2? Okay, and then greater than that, that is 3. So 1023 is the smallest number of 4 digit, and you can see that no digit is being repeated here. Is it clear? Then we have to write greatest number. Greatest number of 4 digit. So this is, by the way, what is the greatest number of 4 digit? That is 9999. Am I correct? 9999. Students, can you tell me when your time is going to be over? When this class is going to be over? I think 10:20, huh? The thing is that we don't have to use repeat any digit. That is why I will write 9, then smaller than that, that is 8, then 7, then 6. Is it clear? So 9876, this is the answer. Now the next question says find the sum of the largest and smallest 4 digit number. So what is the largest 4 digit number? $9,999. And the smallest 4 digit number? $1,000. So you have to find the sum, which means you have to add. So add and tell me the answer. Find the sum. Students, find the sum and tell me the answer. So your answer is 99910. So 10,999. This is your answer. Is it clear? Very good. Arpan, Ali, Bisma, Paris, Talha. Talha, beta 10,000 is not the right answer. 10,999. This is the answer. Clear? Next question. Now read this question and tell me the answer. Sir, it was a mistake. What was the mistake? Okay, Talha, it doesn't matter. Okay, fine. So this is, I think this is the question from exercise 1B, because I am giving you the mixed question. So do this question from the video only, okay? I will show you some question at the end of this class. So you just pause the screen while you will watching the video. Just pause the screen and do it in your CW copy. Okay. So the question is, population of a city was this in the year 2014, and in the year 2015 it increased by this number. What is the population of the city in 2015? So how are you going to find it? So you will write population in 2014 is equal to 35,000, okay, 3 lakh, sorry, 3 lakh 54,976, and population increased is equal to 68,438. So what is the total population in 2015? Total population in 2015 is equal to what? Just you have to add the given numbers. Fine. So add and tell me the answer, beta. Is this the answer? 423414. Okay, 4,23,414. Clear? So we are left with 4 minutes now. Second question says A is equal to 7,43,000 and B is equal to 8,100. Which is greater, A and B, and by how much? So compare A and B. 7,43,000 and the value of B is 8,100. So of course 7 lakh is smaller than 8 lakh. So what we will say? Of course we can say that, students, we can say that B is greater. Okay, B is greater, and by how much? By how much? So in order to find by how much, we have to subtract smaller number from the greater. Means we have to subtract A from B. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So tell me the answer, students. Tell me the answer fast. One, Rukaiya, Adarsh, both of you check your answer. This is not the right answer. You have to subtract. 6. You will get 6 here. Is it clear, students? So 10 minus 3 is 7 and 9 minus 4 is 5 and 7 minus 7 is 0. So your answer is 57,100. Not 1,57,000. Those who are writing 1,57,000, they are wrong. Check your answer. 57,100 is the right answer. Is it clear? Fine. Now the next question. So we are left with 1 minute only. Question 3. A notebook has 57 pages. How many pages will 5,326 such notebooks have? So one book has 56 pages. Is it clear? Now, total number of pages are number of, okay, total number of notebooks. Number of notebooks is equal to 5326. So, number of pages is equal to 5326 multiplied by 56. Beta, these are the this question you have to do. Again, question number 6 you have to do. Okay, you can pause the video, and question number 13 you have to do.